Hello, Dwayne. How are you, man? I'm making this video just for you. Okay. Um, in the email, you asked me you were working too many hours, right? And can't trade the 20-minute chart. It's too fast, and you trade right now. You're trading 4 hour chart, right? So I said decided to show you that what you can do with this thing. If the bottom line is that the system is one thing, but you have to know the direction, the major direction of each and every pair and the indexes, where they're going, up or down. That's what I do. I'm sitting down all day long and trying to figure it out. Elliott wave structures, harmonic patterns, SNR levels. So which one going which way, and the fundies. You have to see everything to find out exactly that where one pair is going. And then on the basis of that, then you can go ahead and hit it in that particular direction. For example, when I ask you that which pair you do the most or trade the most, you said pound yen. So let me show you only pound yen, for example. Okay, forget about everything. If you were to trade pound yen according to my chart, right? So this is the chart I made 1st June, right? And the next chart is also, it's actually 15 June, but the date shows 1st June, but you'll see the difference right here. So this is the chart I made, but it didn't work out. The price dropped to this next level down to 140 because it's a very, very big level. Okay. If you would be my subscriber, you would know that level. So this is the chart that actually I made on June 15th. 14th or 15th actually, so I forgot to change the date, but you will see the next chart. You understand that. And the next chart, you see, this is the one that see it, the very next, the 16th is just one. The new week started here, so this is around June 15, June 16. We were here bouncing off 140, just above 140, right? So this is and this is what I said to everyone that watch out this level, and we're gonna be bouncing from there. All subscribers knew it. So after that, from this level, what I did with this pair, just let me show you quickly, and then I'll show you what you could have done, and the 40-minute chart, how we can do that. From, remember the date, 15, 14 or 15 June, right? So this is 20-minute charts. Look at this. All you're gonna see is long, no short, because we were expecting that. So 39.29, and this is another level just below 140, bouncing from there. And why make sure that we just go around 140. So 140, I saw it powerfully going up, and we broke that level before. So this is one of them. And then I had this one on the 23rd. Then I have this one on the 27th, and look at that amount of pippage there. Okay, and all the you can see the entries, the SL move, and these are not just real trade showing, right? This is the 27th. Then this is 28th. Look at that. After this is this was the whoops. This was the 27th move, and then a little bit retracement, and then 28th gone again. Okay, so this is the 28th, and then again you have on June 30, right there after a little bit retracement, right? Back to the yellow line and the red line, and then again went up, and then this is July 6th, and this is I'm showing 40-minute chart. So you can see here the 20-minute charts. All of these, this was the entry, this was the entry, this is our 20-minute entries, but the 40-minute entries this was the perfect entry, and this was a perfect entry. And if you look at it, I'm not showing here, but this was the beginning entry. When I started taking from the 20-minute, you could have taken this 40-minute entry. You could have taken this 40-minute entry. This is the 40-minute chart. So you can do this, and you don't have to be sitting and then watching all these 20-minute small. You can see this is around like 21st June, and then the other one entry, and then the 29, and then this is the 6th July. So they are like a week apart, entries, and you can just take one of those entries and stick to it. And you're talking about bouncing from 140 and going almost now we are close to 148. Okay, within a month, from June 15 to now we are July 7th, 17, July 11th today. And this is, let me show you, this is my final trade. This one today here. And by the, yeah, this is the 6th July. This is, and then today I did this before dropping again, because you know there was a news of pound, right? And then here comes the pound, you know, all the way down, pound yen, pound Aussie, all that. By the way, I have a very almost like more 130 pound Aussie drop. I caught that one. You have to be, you know, around the news time and see what it is. And in my last webinar, I told everyone that I am very, very skeptical about pound, because a lot of people talking, rumors out there that Theresa May, she's losing ground and might be getting weaker, and then Brexit probably gonna, you know, something like that. Wasn't very good. So I thought maybe pound is gonna get hurt. And that's exactly what happened. Today, a couple of guys came and did talk something, and pound got hurt. But it's going to recover. Anyway, so this is the 20 minutes. And now let me show you again the same chart, same thing. But you know, this is I'm not showing the entries, but this was the one. And even before that, you can see here, this is the entry. This is exactly at June 14, and this is where I had 140 pip trade. Right? This is right here. It's June 15. And before that, it was a June 12. Okay, so all of these, knowing that the pattern is there for an up move. Remember that. This is, by the way, I had it from here that is going to go up. So it went up. And then from here, I have a chart that shows from here, we're going to go all the way up. And when it went up here and then made a little dip and then going up. If I can show you that, you know, you will see that I have a chart from here, we're going to go up all the way. Let me see if I can pull that one for you real quick. This is June 15. So, okay, so it has to be before that. That's a weekly chart. This is March. That's way behind. This is April. This is June 1st. So this is, I just showed you, right? So what is this? May 15th. You see that? Even before that, man. Hold on, let me just go this way. See, as you can see, all long. Once in a while I do short too, because if I know that it's gonna drop. Here, you see that? This is a long time ago. It's like March. I had it that, you know, it's going to go down here somewhere and then bounce. It came very close and then start going to the upside. So the idea is that it will go up here. This is the pattern. It is cooking. Okay. And it will do that. So it will come first to the downside here. So that's why I had a couple of shorts you just saw. It was coming down here, and all of a sudden, the time when Theresa came out and announces the election, it will start going to the upside. Okay, that's where it start going to the upside. Everything, not only this one, but you know, euro yen and the other pairs, other yen pair, pound pair. Sorry, not euro yen. I'm talking about pound Aussie. Okay, so this is how you know it is. If you are a subscriber, you would know all this thing. That's the thing. And then you would not be taking short or you know, confused or something like that. And every time you will see a long setup, you will take the long setup. Even though I see here when it was coming down in May, by the way, if you remember, let's see this June, this is May 25th. I just showed you that my target was 140, close to 140, and it was coming down. So it was coming down. You could have taken this one. This is in May 16th, right? I just showed you the chart. Let me go back if I can. See that one? May 13. I had this chart that is going to come down here, this area first. So it's going to drop here and then go up. And look, this is what it's doing. This is May 10th. This is the entry that you could have taken easily. May 16th, right? All the way down. This one, you can have this one again, you know, drop. When was that? May 24, right? And then again, this one, very nice entry. This one, again, an entry. This one again an entry. This one again an entry. All of these are nice, clean 40-minute entries and hours apart. They're not. This is June 8th, and this is the next day, June 9th. And this one you can see that it was June the 2nd. From June 2nd, this one June 8th, June 9th. So you have a nice 40-minute chart. If you don't have time, you just wait once in a while, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. You take these 40-minute chart trades, and you can ask me in the email, that is, if it's a good one. Because this one was a very, very clean blind trade. Any blind person could have taken this one, because it was nice retracement, 61%, exactly at 140 level. From there, it gave another opportunity here, another very nice setup, and then gone with the wind. And right now, by the way, a gift from me is that it's going to make it another beautiful 40-minute setup. And the target is, believe me, it's my subscribers knows where it's going. It's going way high. Okay, pound yen I'm talking about. So I have a daily chart. I think I have a daily chart with the weekly. No, I mean aggregate wave analysis on it, and it's just amazing. And so far, it is going exactly on the chart. So once it's finished, then I'll show it to the public. Right now, it is only for the subscribers. So the analysis is the key. Okay, the analysis. So that's why the subscription is. If I can sell you the strategy and you'll be in the middle of nowhere, subscription will make it worthwhile, because you'll not only learn how to use the strategy, use the system, perfect. You become perfect to use this whole thing. Understand this. That's on our level. These white lines coming from weekly and monthly charts, and how to do it. How to do analysis. And by the way, when you subscribe, I give you my templates of monthly charts. See, this is my monthly chart. You see this here? I made it a long time ago that we're gonna go from here, and we're gonna go to the upside. Here, I showed it you anyway. All right, no problem. So the first target is 48. We break that and gone with the. That's what's gonna happen. Okay. So this is okay. I showed everything. No problem. Dwayne, it's for you. No problem. So this is what the final today's target is. You see, this is the chart. And if we break this area, we're going to go around this area. That's what the eyes are set for this. And that's the reason we're hitting 20 minutes, because you cannot do it. Then you wait for, simply 40-minute chart. Or the best thing is that if you can have the cell phone with you, with the Twitter, and most of these entries I tweet anyway. Okay, so you see that we're going up. You have a setup ready, and if you can see on a cell phone or maybe a small laptop or tablet or something, that okay, the setup is there, whatever. Just take the entry while you're working. Take the entry, put a SL in the back. That's it. You see, this is it. This is the setup. Okay. You make the first couple of blue candles, you make an entry, and you put a sell right behind the low. That's it. Here's the same thing. Couple of blue candles. The first blue candle, yes, open the trade, put the SL right here, and which is 25 pips. Okay, always. Okay. So this is how it is, and this is what I wanted to show you, that because I cannot, show it in the email. I cannot explain that you can have very, very straightforward trades, very simple setups on the 40-minute. Okay, so basically this is what it is. Like I said, see, this is here, I think, right? Yeah, I took this one out of 40-minute, and I took this one. This is still live, and not still, but at that time the trade was here. The SL was moved. Price was going up. So see, every time this indicator comes down here, this, all of these are entries, and this guys just keep going to the upside. So we're gonna be going with it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you, and if you want to join, come on in. Okay, and this is not only pound yen. You mentioned that you mostly trade pound yen, so I'm showing you pound yen. This is the story of every single pair I have. I show you, go on my website and see, USD CAD, how I said that's going to drop. So far it's dropped almost 600 pip. Euro yen, I said it's going to go up. It went up almost 1,000 pip. all of these charts. Okay, so once you know the direction, it's very easy. You either trade 20-minute if you want to really have fun, but if not, you're working or something, check 20-minute setups. Okay, they are solid. 20-minute setups are much better. They are, the credibility is much higher than the 20 minutes. 20 minutes can, wobble around, but 40 minutes are very strong. All right. So come on in and join and then start trading, man. All right. So have a great day.